All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. So, this is my second video. This is my second video. So, um, lately I've been thinking of starting a challenge. I've been thinking of starting a challenge, like trying to fund little amount of money, like $10, and trying to move it to a bigger amount of money. Then maybe that can be a break point for the journey. So I've been thinking of this. I did it last week, but eventually I failed. I funded the $10. I was able to move it from 10 to like $25, but due to some losses and actually I actually lost the account because of revenge trading. So that was why I lost the account and actually learned my lessons the hard way. Like I was so pissed out. Like I've been blowing accounts before, but this is the account that I've blown that this one got to me. I'm not gonna lie. So one thing I noticed is that I was trading too many pairs. That's one. You know, I was trading too many pairs on little accounts. I was just like jumping from this one. If I see opportunity, I will enter. Maybe that one will not even be. And like you understand, just trying to go from year to year. So this week, I'm looking forward to like start the challenge again. I'm going to fund again. I have like two chances. I have like $20, so I'm splitting it 10-10. So if I lose one, then I'll be aware that I have only one left to actually do the challenge. So these are a couple of trade I took after blowing the account, after blowing it on demo sha. But these are a couple of trades I took. So and this account, I think I should do it with just one or two pairs. You understand? One or two pairs. So I'll be looking at the pairs I have here. So and I'm trying to like consider gold as part of the challenge. So I mean, gold can be very crazy though, very crazy, very very volatile, and actually I need something that has speed. So that's why I'll be considering gold. So I'll be considering gold for the challenge. Then let me check. Let me check. I'll be checking pairs that that are looking nice to me. So that's what I'll be looking at now. Then I will select them, then remove the ones that I don't actually like feel they're actually necessary. You understand? So let me check. This is AUD USD. So let me check Euro USD. Euro USD is kind of like well um Euro USD is in an uptrend and it's kind of looking nice. Let me check GBP USD. GBP USD is also looking nice. So I don't know. Let me go to USD JPY. Let me see. USD JPY. I feel like USD JPY is going to come to this place, this point, if I'm not mistaken. Before before pushing up again, like coming here before taking off again to the upside. Because I feel like USD JPY is kind of like trying to move one uptrend. So I don't know, sure, I don't know. So I just remove this one. I'm just saying. Well, let me check the 1 hour time frame for that. Uh, though the 1 hour is saying it is in a downtrend, but we got the support here. This is support, kind of a support. Let me see. This is support. Well. Let me see. Check. Let me check. US oil. US oil. I think US oil. I won't be considering it. So let me just remove it. This buy. That's just okay. So to what I've seen, I think I'll be considering Euro USD, or I'll be considering GBP USD. So I remove AD, Euro. and USD ship price. So I'll be going with these two, GBP USD and SC. Please don't mind this SPY USDT. It's just that I'm kind of monitoring that coin, you know. So this basically all for the intro and so to what I'm looking at on GBP USD. For me, I'm seeing that GBP USD is that if you look at the higher time frame, GBP USD is in an uptrend, you know, is an uptrend. But on the lower time, if you go to the 1 hour, you see that GBP USD is actually doing a kind of like uh giving us a downtrend. This is what I'm saying, you know. Yeah, we got something here like this. Yeah, this something here like this. Come here, this something like this, 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 and it broke structure. This was news. I think this was a CPI based something, yeah. Or yes, I think this was NFP. So and it's doing something like this, and I'm expecting GBUSD to actually come here like this. After doing all this shit it has done here, like this, I'm expecting to come here, you know, and give us something like this to this point. This is what I'm expecting from GBUSD for the week that is coming. You understand? So I'm just going to mark here. I'm just going to mark here. This you know. Um, so I'm expecting a pullback to this area. Then this should be the target. You know, yeah, this should be the target. So this is what I'm expecting from GBP USD. So uh, note it's not like I'm predicting. We only react if market does what we are expecting. You understand? So what I'm expecting, if market does that. So this is just what I'm expecting from. This is what I can see on GBP USD. So and it looks okay. It looks great because of this. This is like this is like left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break, and retest of the neckline. You understand? So let me check 50 EMA. So well, it's a nice trade. So let me check 30 minutes. Let's see the potential of the trade. Well, it's nice. Yeah, it's nice. So I mean, I've seen this many times, you know, and it has played out. So that's why I'm so certain about it that it's me. Like it will probably there is 70%, 60% or 65% chance that this will play out. So on GBPUSD is what I'm expecting. So then let's go to good. Good, 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 good. Good is always breaking my heart to guys. Like, hey good. Good always give me high blood pressure. Like this space is so volatile and sometimes I can't just handle it, you know. So but one thing about me is that I need my profit fast, you get. So as for good, I think this is what I have seen so far on good. I feel like good is going to come here because good has been like to me it's kind of like ranging in this area, you know, ranging, and good has done something like this here. Where is itself? I think something like this here. Uh, I would even say like kind of a resistance here, you know, and after that, good has broken so many structures, broke this internal structure, broke this one also, broke to the downside. But if you look at it, you can see that there's a support here. So and it reacted to that support. So and ever since then, good has been going up, you know. But I'm still looking forward to buy good still at this point, you know. So that's what I'm looking forward to do. So you can see what happened here. Left shoulder head break, retest to form the right shoulder and buy all the way here. So probably I'm looking for a buy. So I don't know what the week that is coming have for us. So, but I'm still looking for a buy. Though last week go shy away from this zone. I was wanting to buy from here on my demo account, even though I blew my account. Even when I blew account, I don't just go off the chart. I still trying to like use my demo to like still keep me aware of what I'm doing. You understand? So I feel like the gold actually use this 30 minutes order block, but I was actually using 15 minutes order block, which is this. Let me show you on the time frame. Uh, this is the one I was using. So, but I believe good is either using here. I think that's what good is doing. So, but let me just remove all this drawing. Let me just remove every drawing. So let's just start out fresh. Let me go to the 4 hours. I've seen good done something like this, like this, like this, and this. Actually, you should be expecting a push to the downside on this, right? But let me go to the 1 hour. But because of this bullish engulfing candle, I'm not convinced for the sell. But good might come here, you know, might come here. What is this? Good might come here. Um, might come here and push to the downside. Might do something like this and sell, and that will be left shoulder head. Retest. This kind of a double top, but like this head. If this happened, this would be the head. The double top would be the head, and push downward. So, but whatever happened, let's see how it goes. So I think these are all, but I'll prefer to trade GBP USD than gold because I don't really understand what's going on gold right now. So this is what I'm expecting from GBP USD. So I believe this is all for now, and I'll update you guys on the challenge. So, but for now, this is all for now. Anyway, peace out. So see you guys on the next episode. Peace.